Hi boys and girls, at this center you are going to first of all find the bag that matches your group. This time the blue and green friends are going to use this bag and the yellow and orange friends are going to get their material from this bag. Okay, so if you're in yellow and orange, you will, each of you, take one of the papers out. Each one needs a paper that looks like this. Then you're going to be using the red dotted containers. So get all of the red dotted containers out and put them into the middle of the table. Then you will choose one of them. Okay, I chose the one with number 2 on it. That means on my paper I find the number 2, and that's where I'm going to write my answer. I'm going to remove all of the jingle bells and count to see how many jingle bells are in my container. Then I'm going to write the number there, all right? So I'm going to count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And you should probably double check, count them twice. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. I got the same number twice. So that's the number I'm going to write in that square. Make sure you're putting it where the number on your lid indicates. So I had the number 2, I need to find the number 2 on my paper, and that's where I write my number. Then I put my jingle bells all back. Please do not get the jingle bells mixed up with the person sitting next to you. Keep yours right in front of you and don't mix yours with theirs, all right? Then you pick a new one. So then I'd get out the 8. I would take out the jingle bells in there, count them up, and then I would find 8 on my paper, and that's where I would write my answer for that one. If you are in the blue or green group, you're going to get the bag that has your sticker on it, and you're going to take out one of those papers. All right, then you all will be using the containers that have a green dot on them. You'll take all of those out, put them in the middle of your table, and now I have chosen number 8. So I find number 8 on my paper. That's where I'm going to write my equation. You can see that there are red bulbs and green bulbs, okay, in each container. I'm going to carefully put them out in front of me. Don't dump them quickly or they're going to spread all over the floor and we're not going to know which ones belonged in which container. So just carefully dump them out in front of you like I did. All right, so I need to count how many green bulbs I have. And I think I'm just going to put them back into my container as I count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And I have 1 red. So I'm number 8 going to write, because my container says 8, I'm going to write 8 plus 1 red equals how many? Do you know the whole that these two parts make? I know 8 and 1 more. Every time we add 1 more, I remember, oh yeah, that means the next number. So I know the next number after 8 is 9. And always make sure you double check your work. Now you're going to count all of them to make sure that that's your whole, that you got the whole right, okay? So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. I got it correct. So I will put it back and take another container. This one's number 10, so I would find number 10, and I'm going to record my equation there and do the exact same thing, okay? You all will be working the whole time, so if you do complete a whole sheet, either group, you may use the Play-Doh cards and do those. Remember that you'll make the number with the Play-Doh up here, roll a snake and make the number, and then you'll show that number in the 10 frame. And we're going to work the whole time. Have fun.